Hello everyone, welcome to the CAD tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn the difference between DXF and DWG file. So let's start. We will compare both files based on some features. First one is full form. So DWG is a drawing and DXF is a drawing exchange format. Then file size, DWG is smaller as compared to DXF file. Software dependency. Both the files has been created by Autodesk, so it is supported to AutoCAD, DWG file, and DXF file works with many CAD tools. Basically, it is used to laser cut, plasma cut, and all other manufacturing processes. Next feature is purpose. DWG file is used for creating, editing, and storing CAD drawings. The DXF file is developed for data exchange between different CAD softwares. The extension for DWG is .dwg and the DXF is .dxf. Now we will see when to use these files. To use a DWG file when working mainly in AutoCAD and need full feature support like layers, blocks, constraints, metadata, and annotation styles. So basically, DWG file used to create a new drawing or save drawing in AutoCAD. And DXF file is used to share file across the different CAD softwares or for CNC and laser cutting. Basically, DWG is used to create new files and DXF is used in manufacturing industry. These are the differences. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.